Hey man, good morning. Hope you're doing well. We have an exciting week coming up. It's gonna be a pretty awesome week if all goes to plan, of course. We're selling the table this morning. We're selling the Ophir this morning, which is like the big fire grill thing, and I'm super sad about it. Like, I love these things to death, but they gotta go. You can't have that many grills. It's like I had a situation once where I had too many grills. Literally, it was getting to be a problem, and I'm trying to keep it under control. So it's got to go with tears in my eyes. But there's an upside to this. We're going to have dry aged cabinets this week, so that's kind of cool. But we're like, to get mentally prepared. Today we're visiting a butcher that has 3 cabinets in like a big shop. And they got it fully loaded, so we're gonna check that out to learn a little bit about it as well. So that's kind of cool. I just sold the Ophir and now Morrison's here. That rhymes. Woo! That rhymes. If you put it in the middle, yeah, like here, and then you gotta do like, it has to stick, and then you can do it like this. Woo! You think it's gonna work?
How long are you planning to drive with it?
I'm expected to do at least 160 kilometers an hour.
Really?
No. Looked it? Are you doing alright? Good? You ready to go?
Yeah.
It's secure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's recording, right?
It's recording. That's scary.
That's scary.
So it sticks for
Dude,
for 10 meters.
No, it's not the thing. It's you.
No, but I already remounted it. After you remounted it.
You didn't do a good job at it because it fell off.
Yeah, but yours fell off as well.
No.
Oh yeah.
How about right there? We don't even know if this works.
No.
Let's go. It's working so far. But now we can see the suction cap. Now, why is it beeping? The trunk is still open.
No.
What are we doing?
I don't like Teslas, man. You just close it and it doesn't close.
It's not the Tesla, not me saying. It's operator error, that's what they call it. It's got nothing to do with technology. It's closing the trunk. I don't even know if the thing sees us.
You've not tested it? Was it still running?
It's running, the light's blinking. Maybe we should take it off and take a look. Seriously, did you just do it again? You did it again!
Technology is terrible.
You must feel like Britney Spears, not right now. Oops, I did it again.
Okay, let's see if this goes well. Alright, so where we're going?
We're going to the butcher, but we're going to a special butcher, a big one. I have some connections with the butchery close by.
Yeah.
That does mass production for big restaurant wholesalers. And they asked me if I wanted to come check out a new fridge they installed, a dry aged cabinet. I said, this is almost like, I don't know how this happens, but it's like the perfect timing. Because we're getting our own dry aged cabinets, and I'm thinking like, of course, yes, let's do it right now. So he called on Friday and said, let's go on Monday.
And we're also gonna get some meat.
The plan is to get some meat.
Yeah, but basically we're stealing all their techniques.
Yeah, I'm calling it inspiration.
Yeah.
You're calling it stealing. I'm calling it
it's not stealing. It's like tips and tricks.
Yeah, what I want to see is how do they dry age? What do they dry age, and how do they do it? Because honestly, we've dry aged in bags before, but we've never dry aged with a dry aged cabinet. So
no, yeah, it's just the do's and the don'ts.
Yeah, we're not gonna leave empty-handed. I have a big cooler in the back with cooling packs.
Okay, but the tactic is as much as possible for free. Okay.
Yeah, well, we need to do grocery shopping for tomorrow's videos. This is like a joke, but the deal is like we need to get food for tomorrow. Otherwise, we don't have anything for the videos. Nous est arrivé.
And we're here.
We're here. Put the jackets on because it's always cold in
the Hanels.
Always cold in the Hanels. Goedemiddag. Hello. We just had some coffee and now we're here at your shop. This is where chefs do their shopping, grocery shopping.
Yes.
But if you're like a business owner, you can come here too, right?
Yeah.
Look at what this guy has. It's all dry aged and he all dries himself. So that's kind of cool. And you got this cool dry aged cabinet. So come, let's look at this. Look at this thing. Dude, that's awesome. That's so cool. There's so much here. But basically the most of it is like loin. If you just explain it to me, this is like the typical thing, the dry age, the loin.
Yes.
But the cooler parts, what I think is cooler, is that you also dry age pork, and that's something you don't see everywhere. But I absolutely love it. I've seen it first time that I had a dry aged pork was in Germany. And it just makes pork so much better because pork doesn't have that much flavor, but it makes it just more profound and flavorful. And of course the tenderness is awesome. But look, it's got dry aged in butter, lamb, everything's here, man. This is so inspirational. And we're just talking about all the things you should do and you shouldn't do. And how long did it take you to get like the cabinet to be perfect, the dry aged cabinet?
6 tot 8 weeks ongeveer.
6 to 8 weeks to get it tuned into where you wanted it to be. And now you're happy with it, right?
Yeah.
See, and it's not like dry aging is not like easy.
No.
And it kind of scares me to get it perfect. Like I'm a noob, you know. I'm just starting out, so that's scary. But your cabinet's awesome. That's kind of cool to go here and get some inspiration and see all these things. And yeah, cabinet's going open. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's one hunk of flavor. And you told me this one, or like that one exactly, is going to a restaurant called Bonte Os.
Yeah.
Bonte Os makes schnitzels out of them.
Yeah.
They flatten them, they cut them into chops and then flatten them and then fry them up, and these must be the best schnitzels ever. You had them?
They're very good.
Yeah?
Yes.
They must be so good. Oh man, I have to go there one day.
Full?
Yeah.
We need one of those.
We need one of those, yes. 2.
Maybe.
Maybe 2. It's so cool.
It's like, it's a shame that I have to put my mask on because you have to see my expression.
Yeah, show your smile.
It's like...
Show your smile. Oh dude, look at that. Okay, we'll take that one.
Yes.
And we're gonna sew this one up. Saw it up, cut it into pieces. Make sure you get the perfect shot one. This looks so good. I love it.
All right, wrap them up.
Yep, we're done here. It's ours? Yeah. Morrison, that's enough?
We have to come back next week, but I think for 1 week we'll do just fine.
Well, we'll do for 2 days. We'll be fine for 2 days. 4 porterhouses, tomahawk steak, 2 butter aged and ribeye aged, which is Remco's specialty because he found a way to get them perfect. And we're all going to taste them and we're going to report back. Just check out the other channel to make sure you don't miss out on that video because this is going to be really, really good. Awesome, thanks man.
Thank you.
Time to go. Marcel, is it official? Oh, it's official.
It's official.
We bought too much.
Oh, it's okay, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think it's more than we planned to buy.
Yeah, we came for the meat.
We came for the meat and we
Now
left.
we have weird things like this.
What? Yeah.
What is it?
Amsterdam uitjesrelish.
But it should be good, right?
Amsterdam onion relish. But we need to figure it out because if the sauce is good, what we want to do is we want to completely dissect it and then maybe turn it into something of our own.
Yeah. Make it ourselves.
Yeah. Inspiration. That's what we call it. Guys who did this, who helped us, we didn't really properly mention, but their van is still here, so I'm going to show you quickly. These are the guys that did this. So big thank you to Van der Zee, the butchers that, well, that's helping us. And they offered me all of their wisdom and all of their knowledge to, if I might run into problems with the dry age cabinet, to help me out. So that's kind of awesome. And we're loading up and we're heading home. Do we need to go to your favorite restaurant?
I think so.
Yeah?
I think it's really necessary.
Ik wil graag hot wings. Doe maar 2 keer 6. Dat is misschien beter.
Oh ja.
Een bucket met 16 is €10.
Ja, doe maar een bucket dan.
Ja, de bucket.
Ja.
This is really quality cuisine.
But we have to establish one thing. Your girlfriend is not allowed to see this.
No.
Why is this your favorite restaurant?
It's crunchy, it's spicy, it's good chicken. It's not my favorite restaurant, but it's my favorite fast food restaurant.
Oh, okay. It's not 21-day aged dry chicken that they're feeding us.
If you're getting a burger from KFC, it's not round, and that's enough.
You do realize your heating is on.
Please put it off.
This seat heating was on. Was it on the...
It was quite hot, yeah. But it's already hot.
Yeah, it's hot, but it's hot outside. But the seat heating was on.
It was on the highest setting.
It was on the highest setting. On the highest setting.
I'm fine, man. I was just accepting that it's hot.
You must have a hot ass, and now we know why. Go. Got the bucket, Morrison. I go first?
Yeah, take one. This is the best thing from KFC, the best idea they ever had. Because it's to freshen up and nobody else has it.
How many of those do you have?
In the car?
Yeah.
Tons.
Tons. There we go. How did I forget this? I haven't been to Kentucky Fried Chicken in, I think, 4 years.
I think you just had a bad experience.
In my mind, it was a lot worse than this. Sucking meat off the bone.
Yeah. It's just really good, but let's not talk about free-range chicken things.
I'm not talking about animal welfare.
No.
We're finishing this bucket, and I'm suggesting we're gonna eat outside the car, because this is leaving a big mess.
Yeah.
This could be it, Morrison. This could be it. This could be really it. This could be the driest cabinets. Do I sound overexcited? Yes, they're here. They're here. Look. Do you notice that they got the Napoleon blue foil? All right, let's get the pallet truck. But before we start unboxing these beautiful, beautiful things, we're looking at the other beautiful thing here, the steak. The steak that we picked up yesterday, dry aged. That's, of course, gonna go on a kettle Joe. Yeah, and it's almost lunchtime, so I'm getting hungry. Look at this beauty. Ooh-wee. That's a good looking steak, right?
It's beautiful. It's just beautiful.
It's a thing of beauty, and we're ready to go. Like Ava is ready to go. Are you ready to go, girl? Yes, she's ready.
She's ready.
Morrison's ready.
I'm
Check.
ready.
So if you want to see this being eaten, go check out the video on the main channel, because that's kind of important too. Oh, and we showed how to cook it perfect on the Kettle Joe, of course. I gotta go, guys. I gotta go. The dog is getting hangry. Steak is gone. Absolutely fantastic steak, by the way. And don't worry about that bone being cooked, because look at how strong that bone still is. It's getting chewed off, cleaned up to perfection. Ava's loving every minute of it. And I won't attempt to take the bone. I trust my dog a lot, but if she would eat my food, I would get upset. And for me to take her food, Morrison, would that be a good idea?
No.
Keep your hands, don't touch the dog's food. If you think about it, it's such a stupid idea. I don't touch your food either, Morrison. No. It's just mean if you touch other people's food.
Don't ever touch a dog's food.
Don't touch anyone's food. Unless it's like a shared bucket at the Kentucky Fried Chicken. Oh, I can't wait to unbox these, but first we gotta do another video on steak. We're gonna do the butter video, Morrison. Things are moving fast, guys. Sorry I didn't show you like the steak, the butter aged steak as it was. We took the butter off, and now you see this, like this is on the outside. We got a little bit of brown coloration there, but this is totally fine. The steak looked awesome. We cut 1 1/2 just to get a good example of what it looked like. As you can see, there's no more butter. Where did the butter go? Ava, Where did the butter go? Do you have the butter? Butter's somewhere. Let's check in here. Ooh. Morrison, what do you think?
I think this is going to be amazing.
But it could also fail.
No.
No? As you can see, all of the food is gone except for this little piece of steak. So yeah, only one thing left to do. There you go. It's beautiful steak. Morrison and I already had our bellies full. How was it, Morrison? Oh, we can't tell. Don't tell. The only one thing left to say.
Yeah.
Something about the
What?
screw the pineapple. All gone. We did it. We finished the video. You know what that means?
Water?
Not water, dude.
What?
Look at that. We're finally, the moment's here.
Come on, 1 glass of water.
Dude,
Please.
you're asking for a break?
No water.
No water. You got a job to do. Let's go. Of course, there's going to be like a super unboxing video on the main channel about our beautiful new dry aging cabinets. But first, before we do that, I need to clean everything up and get everything ready and set up. So, you guys, as you guys can see, that's where it's gonna go. But now it just looks like horrible, absolutely mess. I don't know who made that big mess, but it couldn't have been me. Couldn't have been.